When it comes to replacing doors in your home or business, many homeowners in Sanford might be tempted to tackle the job themselves or hire an unlicensed contractor to save on costs. However, investing in professional door installation can make all the difference in ensuring the success, longevity, and efficiency of your new doors. Whether you're upgrading your entry doors for curb appeal, replacing interior doors for better functionality, or installing energy-efficient doors, professional installation is key to achieving the best results. In this article, we explore why professional installation is essential to a successful door replacement in Sanford. Precision and expertise. One of the primary benefits of professional door installation is the expertise that experienced installers bring to the table. Proper door installation requires not just basic carpentry skills, but also a detailed understanding of door types, measurements, and how different materials perform under specific environmental conditions. A professional installer knows how to measure the door frame accurately, ensuring a perfect fit and preventing future issues such as drafts, misalignment, or door sticking. In Sanford's variable climate, where humidity and temperature changes can cause materials to expand or contract, professional installation ensures that your door can withstand local weather conditions. For instance, wooden doors may require particular care to prevent warping, while exterior doors need to be sealed properly to provide insulation against hot summers and cool winters. A licensed and experienced installer will account for these variables, offering the best advice and service tailored to your needs. Quality materials and proper tools. Professional door installers typically have access to high-quality materials and specialized tools that may not be readily available to the average homeowner. Whether you're installing a solid wood entry door, a fiberglass door, or a modern sliding glass door, using the right materials is crucial to the door's performance and longevity. Professionals have relationships with suppliers who offer premium products and can help you select the best materials based on your budget and preferences. In addition, the proper tools and equipment are vital to a smooth installation process. Specialized tools are necessary for tasks such as cutting door frames, fitting hardware, and ensuring that everything is aligned correctly. Homeowners may not have access to these tools or know how to use them properly, leading to potential damage to the door or surrounding areas. Professional installers come equipped with everything needed to get the job done safely and efficiently. Improved security and safety. The security of your home or business hinges on the proper installation of your doors. A poorly installed door, whether an entry door or an interior door with a lock, can compromise the safety of your property. Gaps, improper alignment, or faulty locking mechanisms can make it easier for intruders to break in. A professional installer will ensure that your doors are properly secured and that all locks and hardware are in perfect working order. Additionally, door installation can involve handling heavy, large, or sharp objects. Professional installers are trained in safe handling practices, reducing the risk of injury to themselves or others in your home. They also have the knowledge and experience to ensure that doors are installed securely, preventing them from coming loose or becoming damaged over time. Time and cost saving. While professional door installation may seem like an added expense up front, it can actually save you money in the long run. A well-installed door will perform better, requiring fewer repairs and less maintenance over time. Furthermore, professional installation minimizes the risk of costly mistakes, such as buying the wrong door size or improperly installing the door frame. Poor installation can lead to damage that may require replacing the door entirely, which can be far more expensive than having it installed correctly from the start. Hiring a professional also saves you time. Instead of spending your weekends attempting a DIY installation that may take longer than expected, a skilled installer can typically complete the job within a few hours. This frees up your time to focus on other priorities. Warranty and peace of mind. Most professional installation services offer warranties on both the labor and the materials used in the installation. This provides peace of mind, knowing that if anything goes wrong with the door or its installation, you have a safety net to fall back on. If you choose a non-professional installer or decide to tackle the job yourself, you may void any warranties provided by the manufacturer, leaving you unprotected in case of defects or installation issues. Conclusion. When it comes to door replacement in Sanford, professional installation is a smart investment that ensures the success of the project. From the precision and expertise of experienced installers to the use of high-quality materials and tools, professional installation offers numerous advantages. It improves the security, performance, and aesthetic appeal of your doors, while saving you time and money in the long run. For the best results in a door replacement that stands the test of time, consider hiring a licensed, professional installer to get the job done right.